ndofunga vaenzi vedu vatakamirira vasvika vanobva kuHarare vanonzi veAgape family care. Vanoswanzouya makore ose, asi gore rino iri vanyanya kutifungisisa zvikuru sei nemaomero akaita zvinhu. Vakafunga kuti vazopembererawo nesu Christmas. Saka vatudzira magifts akati wandei anosanganisira mafuta, sipo dzekugezesa, mafuta ekubikisa sezvo mukuziva kuti mazuva ano pane mafuta ndipo panonyanyisa kunetsa, nezvimwe zvakawanda nemadrinks ekuti Christmas inoi muwanewo chinogona kukuvaraidzai uyezve muchipemberera kuzvarwa kwemununuri wedu. Saka toda kutenda veAFC Agape family care vauya kuzotibetsera. Ini ndoitwa Father Tigere, ndinogara panapa tichibetserana kuchengeta varwere vedu. Saka ndoda kukutendai kwezve muchivimba kuti program yedu ichafamba zvakanaka. Saka toda kukugamuchirai nemaoko anonzi.
Makadikwa na baba na mama. Tukufara nokuti matigamuchira maita basa.
There's only one word to describe. Holy, holy, Lord God Almighty.
According to the history, this place, it is said to have been started in 1932. And it was started from that mountain, which is called Mutemwa. So just beside it, that is where the leprosy center started. Then as time moves on, in 1969, this is when John Bradburn also came to this place when he heard that this place was going to be closed. So he came actually to assist the people who were living here. So he came and he gave them his eyes, his hands, his legs, so that he can restore the dignity of the human person. So this is what he mainly did. And also this is what also made this place to be very famous. Then he used to climb this mountain, which is just beside me, which is called Chigona, where he used to climb for 3 days, 3 times a day, for him to go and pray, and also to refresh himself, because there's a pool which is just upside there. Then he also went on to beg for food. He went also to beg for medicines for these people to get some life. Then we actually accommodate people who come to help us with the foodstuffs, with clothing, with some medicines, for us to be able to take care of these people.
25 December is steeped in history as the day that Jesus Christ was born. But for us as Agape Family Care, the 25th of December is extra special because we also mark the day that our father and our man of God, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, was born. Birthed to inspire people and to share life. He is spreading his wings to influence the world, that they can be awakened to the fatherhood of God. Today we are here at Mutemwa Leprosy Center, where we have been sent by a prophetess Ruth Makandiwa to spread love, the very same love that Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa is taking to the world. Today he is saying that he would like to share the love that God has shined on him to the men and women that are housed here at Mutemwa Leprosy Center, so that they can have a festive Christmas and enjoy the love of God, that it is real and it is tangible. Father, patience. We as Agape Family Care, on behalf of Prophetess Ruth Makandiwa and our man of God, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, would like to thank you for accepting us here today and allowing us to show you that the love of God is real and that it is tangible and that it can be spread and that it can change lives. Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It is also a pleasure to meet you and also to welcome you to this place. This place actually, it is marked not only for one denomination, but for all the denominations. Because we believe in one Christ, who has the same love to all of us in the whole world. We also honor our man, John Bradben, who actually brought some life here, the spiritual life, where he came to look after the lepers, those who have been abandoned, those who have been actually left alone without nobody to take care of them. So he gave his life to them. He gave them his eyes, his arms, his legs, his ears, to do almost everything. Because if you look at them, there are some who actually do not have the hands, the legs. They actually can't see properly. So he gave his life to them. So we as the Franciscans, we are trying by all means to bring the same life, to restore the dignity. So we appreciate for you coming to us to give us a hand to foster this work for the great joy of God, actually. Because these are also people of God. They need life, they need food, they need clothing, they need shelter, they need many things, but they are not able to. But today you have shown us that they are able, and also you have valued them to be people who are actually acceptable by the world. So we actually appreciate your leaders, yourselves, your time, your efforts, plus also your gifts, which are very tangible. So we thank you so much, and may also God bless you in your ministry.
We thank you, Father.
Thank you.
Patience. We hope that this is a continued relationship that goes even into the future.
Thank you.
And by partnering with you today, we are seeing that there's history here and that we are also going to be making history with you.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Father.
You're most welcome.